Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Redmi 13c device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Well, to check the LCD and touchscreen on your device, you can open the application and then you can type the following code. Well, and then here you can select Touch Panel Self-Test. Okay, and then click here to start. Well, and then in this section, you can draw line according to the grid here. Well, after finishing the touchscreen test, here you can continue to the color section. Well, you can tap on the screen to start and finish the test. Okay, if the screen display is optimal, and then there is no problem with your device LCD and touchscreen. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check LCD and touchscreen on Redmi 13c device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.